glasses looks very fascinating to me, and I can see they have been for the CBSE National Level Science Fair. So I guess you have done a lot of hard work for it. Can you just explain it very briefly?
Yes, we have made these for state level and these for national level. In state level, we have made these for only blind person, as we know that there are many accidents occurring due to which. So we have added an ultrasonic sensor which will produce a beep sound if any object is there in front of it. And we have updated this in our national level by adding a recording module, vibrating motor, Bluetooth chip and an amplifier. And these glasses are similar to our smartphone. We can hear music, we can directions as well, we can hear GPS. It can be connected with our smartphones. So we have added recording module, so we can add sound from our side. Whatever sound we like, we can add from our side, because there is a beep sound which might be irritating to the people. So we have added a recording modules. Also there which they can add their own sound. And here is a vibrating module for deaf people. So deaf people can't hear, so they can sense the vibration and get sight. And this Bluetooth chip can be connected with our smartphones, which can give them direction of GPS and all.
Ma'am, how do you like our students' project?
Like, I didn't expect it this much, because like kids nowadays are thinking a lot about different things. I can see projects from very different sections. From social sciences we have, from maths we have, from Vedic maths we have, from like this much of technology we have. So I never expected like little kids to do this much, but you have done very like great job, and this one is the best so far.
Thank you so much.
सभी के प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छे हैं। कुछ दिन पहले मेरे बेटे देवेश ने बनाया था प्रोजेक्ट, पासवर्ड सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम है। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि बेटे ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया है और सभी को अच्छा लगा।
Actually, the Devesh cracked the decode the code system. Very nice presentation.